Greetings everyone, welcome back to my mindfulness channel, and today I'll be talking and sharing you some great information how to keep our mind calm or keep a calm mind. And today I'll be sharing a great important practice how to train our mind, mindfulness, meditation, and this is called the single pointed breathing meditation. And those who have missed the first part, I recommend watching the first part of this video of how to keep a calm mind, because the first video I've explained what is a mind and why should we pay attention to our mental health and our mental hygiene and practice mindfulness meditation. So today, this training that I'm going to share, I learned from one of the greatest mindfulness meditation teacher named Mingyur Rinpoche, and I also learned through YouTube just like this about 6 years ago. A friend of mine recommended to me to his video on YouTube. So first of all, I want everyone to go to a quiet place, and so that way you don't get distracted, and keep your feet folded and keep your back and spine straight as possible. And basically this is a single pointed breathing meditation of mindfulness, and this is to keep our mind calm, because our mind is always wandering around. And our main focus practice of this mindfulness is to keep our mind focused on our breathing. And we're going to first start with taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose, out from the mouth. And this mindfulness breathing meditation really helped me with my own mind, and changed my mind and my life. So I hope this video will also help you change your life and keep your mind calm. So keep your back and spine straight. Take some deep breaths in through your nose, out from your mouth. Nice and slow. And when you take your deep breaths in through your nose, out from your mouth, try to keep your mind focused on your breathing while you do it. Okay, so that was 3 deep breathings. Now we're going to just relax our body and basically let your breathing come by itself from your inside, instead of taking a deep breath in through your nose, out from your mouth. And while you are resting, and if your mind wanders around or wanders away, and if your thoughts coming in, don't try to block out these thoughts, but know these thoughts are doesn't exist at this present moment. It is just a thought coming from inside of our mind. And then bring your focus of your mind back to your breathing. So we're going to do this practice for 2 minutes, and I'm watching the time, the clock as well, on my cell phone. So first, relax your whole body from your head to your toe, and we're going to scan from our body to relax our whole body first, starting from our toes. And smile a little bit while you do it. Don't tense your face or your body too much. Relax your toes, your feet, your knees. Relax your fingers. Relax your hand. Relax your back, your shoulders, and try to keep your back and spine straight as possible. And relax your nose, your face, and make sure to smile a little bit while you do it. You don't want to put too much pressure on your face. And relax your ears, your nose, your forehead. Relax your whole physical body. And then relax your inner mind. And don't worry about where the mind is, but just feel it. And don't worry about what's going to happen tomorrow or next week, next month, next year, the future, because the future is not here yet. Don't worry about what's going to happen or what had happened already yesterday or week before, month before, year before. The past is a past. It was a new learning lesson of our life. And we learn to forgive. And then we grow from it with wisdom and then practice in the future with mindfulness, open-minded. Now relax your mind and listen and focus on your breathing. If you feel like your breathing is going too fast, remind yourself to keep calm mind and relax your mind, relax your breathing. And you can keep your eyes closed if you feel more comfortable, or if you get more distracted, having your eyes open. So you do have that option. Again, keep your mind focused on your relaxed, calm, peaceful breathing. Okay, everyone. So this is the practice of breathing mindfulness meditation, and this mindfulness meditation, as I mentioned before, really helped my own mind. And I do this breathing meditation every day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon after I eat my lunch at work break time, and then one after work. I do this practice in my car about 5 minutes, and then I do another practice after I eat my dinner and before I go to bed. And basically this mindfulness breathing meditation really helped me to keep my mind calm. As I mentioned before, we live in a very busy lifestyle, and it is very, very important to keep your mind calm. So the next video I will be sharing you guys my second mindfulness meditation practice or mind training, and the second one is called the analytical mind training. So that one I will be sharing to you guys on the next video. And thank you so much for your time, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you think it was helpful, please share it to your family, your friend, your co-workers, and so that way together everyone can benefit from this breathing mindfulness meditation practice to keep a calm mind or keep our mind calm. Thank you.